Hey everybody, how you doing today? It is Saturday. I think it's like the 6th or the 5th. It's definitely hot today. It's 91 degrees right now. It's about noonish. And it's a hot son bitch out here. Holy moly, is it hot. Holy moly, is it hot. So we're gonna go down and grab a little lunch down here. See what's kicking here on a Saturday afternoon. Obviously the street hasn't shut down yet. As you can see, it's just lined with vehicles yet. Oh, here comes Adrian. Adrian's gonna have something to say. What's going on, man?
I saw your blog.
Did ya?
That's good, man. I
Yeah,
like
that one worked out good. That one worked out good.
Yeah.
Hey, Highwayman, how's the weather there in Minnesota? I think it's like 45 now at night or something. Loving it. It's 91 here right now.
It's very hot here.
It's very hot. Decided to go to Scorebirds. I haven't been to Scorebirds in a while for a meal. I stopped in the other day. I didn't add it to any video. Maybe I'll add a little bit of that here. I used to take my morning walks around this area. I just was at Tequila Reef. I met up with Far East Poppy and Mercy. Great couple, fun couple to watch. I don't know if you watch their videos, but you got to see them. They're always having fun. They're always doing some meals with some people. He plays the guitar. They're just great people. There's a lot of great people here in town. But anyways, I used to walk this route when I was staying on Walking Street that first week. So we're gonna go down and take a look at Scorebirds again. I met a couple guys at Scorebirds back in the day, and I didn't make that bikini competition because I was taking a nap that day. I don't know, fell asleep. Stupidity on my part, because I would have liked to seen that. It's massage. How much is a massage? Woo! Does that include happy ending and all that? I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Scorebirds. Hey guys. Hey! What's going on? Can I go in here again? Just peek? I won't, I'll go right here. Right here. Again guys, this is Scorebirds. Great place, great pool, good food, and of course, awesome people. Good to see you again, buddy.
Yeah, good jobs.
Okay, I'm gonna, third day here, I think I grabbed a hell of a burger. Look at this four-wheeler, off-roader. Heavy duty, everything on it. Wow. I think this is like an awning for camping. Yeah, we're gonna go get a, really hungry, so I'm gonna go get something really good. Scorebirds is the place. What's up, guys? Some of the hardest workers here in Atlantic City doing the trash up there. Yes, sir. Boy, it's a hot one. Maybe we'll see some bikinis in here, even though I don't think I can video. Maybe I'll luck out. I'll let you know. Nice, very nice, very nice. That burger there at Scorebirds was phenomenal. I did like the double decker when I first got here 3 days in, and that was way too much burger. So what I did this time is I just did the classic one patty, which is perfect size. Fries, and then they got some kind of cucumber salad or something that goes along with it. I think everything came to like $2.85 peso wise. And that was with a Coke. I got a glass of water at the end, so that's really economical. And it was really good. That Scorebirds is a phenomenal place. I took some video on my phone in there. They don't want me to take video in there because of the guests, so respect the guests, so I didn't get any guests on there. But I did not know there's an upstairs smoking area. That's just a phenomenal place. Las Vegas. Hilux. Diesel. Yeah. So Dallas or whoever's coming, I was just having a burger there when you were telling me that you're coming here on the 21st, I believe it is. Just gonna miss. No thanks. I'm good there. I'm good. So yeah, that Scoreboards, you're gonna really like going and staying at that Scoreboards, I tell you that. That place is phenomenal. Very phenomenal. The wait staff is great. I love the facilities. I just can't afford to stay there for the amount of time it is till my long-term rental opens up. Hey buddy. Otherwise I would. For you vacationers that are coming here, Scoreboards would be perfect. It's right around the block from Walking Street here, and it's got everything you need. It does. It definitely has everything that you might need. Hey, hey, hey! Here he is, most colorful man in town. Most colorful man in town. Just had an awesome burger over at Scoreboards. Wow, it's a great place.
Yeah.
So,
You been there?
I've been there.
You have a party today. Go party, yeah.
Well, no, it's the 16th.
Oh, 16.
So in a week or so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that place. I didn't know they had an upper level smoking area. You can oversee the pool and stuff. Great place.
Yeah,
Great place. So you got a shout out today?
Yeah.
All right. Cut her loose.
Okay, I want to shout out to the gay named Jeffrey from Idaho. State capital Boise. State bird mountain bluebird. State flower syringa. Shout out to Patrick from Colorado. State capital Denver. State bird dark bunting. State flower columbine. Shout out to Raydon from California. Okay, shout out to Michael from New Jersey. State capital Trenton. State bird American goldfin. State flower common blue violet. Shout out to Bill from Arkansas. State capital Little Rock. State bird northern mockingbird. State flower apple blossom. Thank you for watching, folks.
Coming up on Crazy Music area. Again, 91 degrees out here. Doesn't feel so bad after taking that little break at Scoreboards. So, yes sir. Again, it took about 3 weeks to acclimate to this heat, but I'm feeling a lot better. Boom, yeah. Love it. Love the music here. A lot of guys out there. Oh, what is that? They look like cucumbers or apples or something. I didn't even know. Holy moly. Getting a little busy right here. This is that club they're working on. I think it's already open. Whew. Holy moly. Yeah, this place is packed for a Saturday afternoon. It's pretty darn busy out here already. And again, these cars all clear out at about 3:30. Vendors. Ooh. Yeah, all right, music going again, so I gotta talk over it a little bit. No, thank you. Thank you, though. Yeah, they're always peddling. And I bought quite a bit from those guys on the streets. I don't have a problem buying it. I need some stuff now and then. and helping these guys out. Hey Junior, how you doing today? All I got is this. Is that good enough? We got more later. There's Junior again. All I had was 10 pesos today. I didn't want to give it to Junior because I give it to Junior now and then, but some locals said don't give to them. Don't give to these people because there's so many of them. You know, I feel bad though in some cases, and I just feel like I got to do my part now and then, help them out. But I guess he's right. You know, they could get a job or they could do something, but who am I to bitch? I'm a guest here in their country. I'm willing to throw a couple pesos at them here and there. You know, I feel good about doing that. I came here a couple nights ago and I did a little night video. Very minimal. Because again, it's not as comfortable for me to walk up and down Fields Avenue at night when it's busy. I don't know, it's just something that I don't feel comfortable doing, but I will do. So I put it to music, and I'm going to add that to this video here. It's only about 4 or 5 minutes long, but see what you think. Oh, crapshoot. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. It's a crapshoot. It's a crapshoot. Getting across here sometimes. Got a little update for everybody. Been talking about this long-term rental I've been holding off trying to get into. And again, believe me, when you come here, make sure you have patience, because I should have been in there the 1st of October. I don't know if I've ever showed you this, but I get some good fruit from these guys a couple times a week, 3 times a week or so, 4 times. It's real cheap and it's right down the road from where I'm at. But anyway, again, local carpenters and laborers here don't get paid that much, and if you say something, they will leave. Here's Barky again. Oh, he's every day. And that's what happened. He had some cabinets that weren't fitting right, so he brought that up, and what happened is his carpenters bailed on him. So he's had to relocate, or had to resecure some different carpenters, some people to finish the project, or the place he's moving into, the unit he's moving into, and then I'm moving into the unit that he's living in now. Again, he owns several units in that building over there. So it's pushed back now for another couple of weeks. Nothing I can really do about it. I really like the place. Sure, I could find somewhere else, but I don't wanna. You know, this is actually good for me to bounce to different places, show you guys different hotels I've been at. I showed you the Amsterdam, Hotel Royal Amsterdam, and the prices I paid there. I'll put that again on the screen here, as per what it was a month, or not a month, but a week, breakdown what it was a day. And now that I'm out of this place in a day, this is my second place that I was staying. This is the Clark Pad Inn. I've been here for 3 weeks, I bet. This one is very economical, very secure. The only problem here is that it's like a dorm in college. I didn't really dorm in college ever. I always rented houses. But this corridor you see right here gets a little loud, gets a little echoey at night, but there is quiet times at 11 to 6 or 8 or something in the morning, so that's not an issue. But very, very economical. If you're carrying 120 pounds worth of suitcases and shit up here on the 3rd floor, it kills you. But I believe I've showed you this room. If not, I'll show you again. Whew. I don't care about the mess. But this is the accommodations. What is going on? Oh, it is going, okay. This is the accommodations. Sink, cook station, hot water pot, pots and pans for cooking, sundries, my piles of shit. And again, just basic hot water, shower, bidet, toilet, some storage. If you knew you were going to be here for a month, you could unpack. But no, my headrest is good enough for that. So, all right, I'm gonna sign off here. Thanks for subscribing to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. The numbers are growing. I knew they would here. It's no surprise. I'm looking forward to get monetized eventually. If you know my story, I retired at 53, sold everything, and I'm here in the Philippines to do this full time. So, if you're along for the journey, thank you. If you're a new subscriber, this should be interesting. Everything in the Philippines is interesting here. So All right, guys, I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna edit this up. I'm gonna put this out there for you. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.